Hey guys, there are 10 audio logs that you can hear around the map on Blood of the Dead. 5 of them are audio reels where the Warden speaks to the Shadow Man, and there are 5 radios where Maxis is trying to signal in Richtofen and give him some messages. My previous video was about the audio reels where the Warden was talking to the Shadow Man, and in this video I'm going to show you the 5 radios and their locations, play all of them, and let you guys hear what it has to say. It's really interesting. This is basically the answer to the blood vials and what we've all been waiting for. There's a couple of radios where it's real staticky, but the last parts of the radios get really clear and you can get a very clear understanding of what's going on.
Richtofen, are you there? Richtofen, most incredible. The blood. It does far more than its dimension of origin. As though the paradox factor wasn't enough. If my observation, the blood itself is the paradox. We know the body is changed at the cellular level crucial to element 115, resulting in side effects ranging from memory and death. But the moment a body steps through a portal, 115, different reaction. The blood, indeed all tissues, appear to mutate and then stabilize, then exposed to alternate space-time realities. And while delusions and memory are factors, the blood is imbued with etheric energy. Herr Doctor, they searched for since the very beginning. Your blood might not only save you, Edward, change everything. I only hope to survive long enough to harness it. Toffen, I must be brief. Others may now be listening. He has ears everywhere these days. The Force is keeping you in that dimension, know too much about your nature, and it is clear to me now that their power is too great to leave unchecked. Total dimensional collapse is the only option. This is the only way they will stop hunting you long enough for you to complete your mission. By now I have deduced that you must be trapped in the Alcatraz pocket dimension. Do not be disappointed. The location of your secret lab remains a secret to most, just not me. I also know about the backup plan you have stashed away. If I may be so bold, I would recommend using it and eliminate the threat of Alcatraz for good. I can do no more from here. Best of luck, Edvard. I know you will not fail. Richtofen, come in, Richtofen. Edvard, are you receiving me? Wherever you have gone, it appears to be our connection through the ether. How this is possible, I do not know, but should lose two things for certain. First, the interference cannot be a naturally occurring phenomenon. The energy required is to be too great and complex. And second, if not natural, then someone very powerful moves against you, companions. I pray it's already too late. Everything depends on summoning key. Without it, and without the souls you promised, vision will never come to pass. And will prevail. As for the blood, I have come to believe that your hypothesis a revelation. I will continue the work, but Richtofen, what you can to boost the signal. If you have the means, antenna array would like this. Stay alive, Richtofen. Keep them safe. With any luck, you will see again soon. There we are. There we are. Can't get this almost there. There we are! Who would have thought that erythrocytes would ever be used as a trans-dimensional conduit? Yes, greetings, Herr Doctor. I have managed to use part of your sample to boost the signal of my transmissions. However, I have yet to receive any reply from your end. I pray that I am not too late. New findings have come to light. Yes, the moment one travels through a portal powered by element 115, their blood is changed. The evidence is conclusive. Today, I have discovered that the effect is actually cumulative. The more one travels through the ether, the more they absorb into their bodies. While undeath does not appear to ever be a risk, the potency of one's etheric cells increases. The blood of the prisoners you sampled and that of your now frozen compatriots contained trace but significant amounts. But your blood, Edvard, you have traveled through countless realities of space and time. Your blood is not only beyond potent, I fear it is a profound liability. We both know there are forces who would stop at nothing to attain such power. You must do all you can to keep it from them, Richtofen. Unless, of course, they already have you, and then all is lost. Richtofen! I now believe that either you have been killed or you are currently trapped in a pocket dimension. Now, worst case, imprisoned by those who mean to undo existence. In the off chance that you are still on the move, I may have a solution. The power of your blood could theoretically be used to open a portal and escape your present reality. If you can direct and focus enough energy through your blood, you may be able to tear a hole through the ether and step through. How much blood will be required, I do not know. But given the concentration of ether in your veins, it's likely best to not overdo it. And there is more. I recall you mentioned something about needing protection for you and your companions. You are right to worry. The blood vials alone preserve aspects of other dimensions, yes. But if you were to ingest them, combine their ether with your own, that would be a formidable insurance policy.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video! Hoorah!